Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be going through 3 key apps that I personally use for my iPad and on my iPhone that help me as an agency owner build my business, manage my business, and scale my business. So let's jump right in. So like I said in today's intro of the video, we're going to be walking through some really great iPad apps that I personally use to run my agency and manage it. And I can honestly say that using these apps and implementing them into my day-to-day routine has just significantly improved the productivity side of what it is I do, being able to manage all the tasks that I, bring on a daily basis and I have to execute on a daily basis. And without these apps, my life would just be absolute chaos. And so I'm hoping today's video can really add a lot of value to you, whether you be an agency owner or maybe you're an e-commerce brand owner and you're just looking for some, better ways to structure your routine and, develop better habits within your life, because obviously we know running a business, you need to have really strong habits in order to actually, effectively grow your business and just stay on top of things so things don't fall through the cracks. So now before we get into today's video, I want to ask you guys to please smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you guys get tons of value from obviously all the content that I post on a weekly basis. I've been posting a lot more content on a weekly basis, and we're going to be coming out with more and more content every single week to help you guys grow your businesses, whether you are an agency owner or whether you are in e-commerce building a brand right now. So I really appreciate your guys' support, and without further ado, let's jump right into today's topic. All right, so app number 1 is going to be Asana. Now, a lot of you are actually familiar with Asana. I know a lot of people use it. It's one of the most common project management, task management types of apps out there, besides a lot of the other ones like Monday.com I know is another big one. But Asana is incredible because for myself, it allows me to manage all of my personal day-to-day tasks in my own personal calendar, but it also gives me access to be able to share this whole, project and account with my team, and then allows us to really break down different projects based on all the clients we manage within our agency. So you can imagine if you're an agency owner watching this and you have multiple clients that you're trying to manage tasks for, it can get messy if you only are using Slack to communicate. It's really important that you start dialing in your tasks, your routines, and just making sure you have some sort of structure that is duplicatable across all of your guys' accounts and all of your guys' clients. And so using Asana is going to allow you to manage and oversee all of that, and it's going to just make sure that you get things done and stay as productive as possible. Now, another really great feature about Asana is it allows you to tag team members in certain tasks. So if certain people within your organization need to be getting certain jobs done, it's going to allow you to basically assign them that task, assign them a priority to that task, and then also give them a due date. So if you are someone that is maybe in a management role or an executive role and you need to ensure that things are getting done, this is a great tool to really ensure that things are very smooth, things are getting done accordingly, and you can start moving forward with your clients and with your own business. All right, now app number 2 is going to be strictly an iPad app, and it is called GoodNotes 5. Now, GoodNotes 5 is super great. I know that they've come out with a lot of different versions of the GoodNotes brand, but GoodNotes 5 is one of the newest iterations of the GoodNotes organization, and it is an incredible app that allows you to really take tons of notes on your iPad. So obviously if you have an iPad, this is going to be a lot more useful, but GoodNotes 5 has just really allowed me as an agency owner to jump onto whether it be lead calls or client calls and draw things up for them and share that screen with them so that I can visually show them whether it be, a funnel breakdown, breaking down their customer acquisition, breaking down our ad strategy, whatever it is. Different people learn in different ways is what I figured. And so being able to bring out an iPad and just show them things and draw things up for them just really hones in on the education side of what it is that I'm trying to get across and the points I'm trying to get across. And so GoodNotes 5 is highly recommended. I don't know what I would do without it, just because for me personally, I always find that I always had a notebook, beside my desk, and I, doodle on it, I would draw on it, write my ideas and get them on paper. But now with GoodNotes 5, I'm able just to use obviously my iPad. I'm not wasting paper, I'm not killing trees, and it allows me to share my screen, show clients everything that we want to go over, and allows us to be really, really productive during those meetings. Now, another thing to mention about GoodNotes 5 is if you are a consultant watching this, it is an amazing tool because, again, you can share your screen, you can share all the information you need to with your consultation clients. And I know recently we've been taking on quite a few consultation clients, and I know bringing out the iPad has just helped significantly in the sense of being able to get a lot of their questions answered and being able to really show them exactly the points that we're trying to get across. So if you're a consultant watching this, highly recommend getting an iPad, and I highly recommend getting GoodNotes 5. All right, and the third app that I'm going to be recommending to you guys is an iPad-only app, but it is incredible, and that app is called Muse. Now, Muse is a really cool app because it basically acts as a digital whiteboard. So if you're someone that is always copying and pasting certain articles or images, maybe you need to screenshot certain, quotes from something or paragraphs from an article, whatever it is, you can literally copy and paste all of those things into your digital whiteboard and even start drawing on it to, point to certain things or draw, flow diagrams. It's literally so customizable. And the best thing about Muse is it's free up to about, I think, 4 whiteboards as of right now. I did get my iPad a little while ago and it was free. I do hear that there is a paid version as well too if you want to go above and beyond and you're just constantly using this sort of digital whiteboard. But the free version is definitely all I need. I know that whenever I'm done with sort of an idea or I'm done kind of doodling around on this whiteboard, I just erase it and I restart and it acts just as normal. But the great thing about Muse is it allows you to get your thoughts on paper. And I know I mentioned that when I was talking about GoodNotes 5, but the cool thing about this is if you actually go to the internet and like I said, you need to screenshot things, you need to clip things and put them in that whiteboard, it's doable. So it almost acts as if it's like a scrapbook sort of thing. And so if you're out there doing tons of research, again, you're a consultant, maybe you have to do some prerequisite research for one of your clients and you bring in all these different screenshots and clips, this is something that you could sell to them or something that you could show them in that consultation meeting. And so it's just gonna really enhance the effectiveness of how your service delivery goes, whether you be an agency owner or whether you be a consultant. But if you are an e-commerce owner and you're using this app as well too, it's really, really great because maybe you are someone that does tons of competitor research or you do tons of creative research and you just really want to be able to build as much ideas around, delivering the best products, the best ads as possible. This is something that you can be able to, again, clip things, put in your digital whiteboard and really make your own so that you have all of your ideas in one place and you know where to go so that, everything's not everywhere all over the internet or all over these different types of notebooks that you're writing on. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Those are just 3 of my favorite apps that I personally use on my own iPad whenever I'm jumping on calls with leads, whenever I'm jumping on calls with current clients, and even now that we are starting to offer some small time consulting with clients. And so I really hope this helps you guys out a ton. Definitely recommend trying all 3 of those apps and let me know in the comments below if you've tried the apps, how you like them, what you don't like about them, and what other apps that maybe you guys would recommend. The biggest thing here is in the comment section, we are a community, and so I really encourage you guys, if there's anything that you guys find currently valuable to you, share it in the comments. Help other people grow, help other people succeed. As always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this week's video. And please don't forget to smash the like button if you got a lot of value from this video. And do not forget to smash the subscribe button as well too. It helps me as a content creator. It pushes the content to the homepage of YouTube. And it's just great for everybody. So thank you guys so much for all your support. And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.